are all musical beings. Our heart beats in rhythm. We breathe in rhythm. We walk in rhythm. We talk in rhythm. We connect and communicate through rhythm. It is an undeniable force that connects all people together. We actually met on stage, Hollywood, California, 6 years ago, a TEDx conference. I saw him tap dancing.
Our first time actually speaking to each other was through the language of rhythm.
We both collaborated with lots of people, but it was just something special.
The very first words I said,
True story.
what are the skills that you use to connect and inspire with? What are the skills that you've acquired that have influenced your life's path to being the human that you are, the industry you're in, this moment right here sitting in these chairs? And what are the skills you're currently cultivating to create the next version of you, the upgraded you, the future you that stays relevant, valuable in your profession, but also enthusiastic for life? Your combination of skills and experiences come together to create your unique expression.
This is one thing that fuels me every morning when I wake up, just thinking of that unseen echo effect. And what are the lives that I may change today accidentally or on purpose? And that gives me that positive perspective, and also allows me to keep my patience and my positivity and just my love for what we're doing.
We view that as a selfish thing to take that time, but in fact, I believe that continuing to learn and cultivate ourselves is selfless. Because the more we have, the more we can give. The more skills we have, the more tools we have to connect with.
Often when we don't feel comfortable collaborating or contributing, it's partially because we're not 100% grounded in ourselves. So a big part of what we do is try to empower other people to feel grounded and secure enough to go out and say what we have to say.
Have extraordinary collaborations, then we're really in synergy with people, and I believe that that creates more happiness and more joy. And when we're in that state of happiness, it affects the entire culture, and that elevates the game of everybody, and that affects everything else and creates an overall enhancement of the experience and the culture.
Bringing the audience into it so that we actually can feel that we can make music, even if you're not a musician. That was so awesome to feel involved in the show.